Hi dears, welcome to a new episode, Blast from the Past. Previous year questions discussion from the JEE Advanced question papers, right? Can we start? Which question we have today? Oh, it's a old one. A question from old exam, 2005 exam. 2005 exam. It seems a subjective type question, right? We are given with a stoichiometry 2x gas giving 3y gas plus 2z gas. Assuming ideal gas condition, we have to calculate certain data given, time versus partial pressure of x. Partial pressure of x can be taken as the reference of concentration, right? Amount of substance concentration can be referred as partial pressure for gases, all of you know. So partial pressure of the reactant X given at a time 0, 100 and 200 minutes it is given. We want to find the order of the reaction, number 1. Number 2, rate constant K. Number 3, time taken for 75% completion of the reaction. And number 4, total pressure when Px equal to 700 mm. So it is a subjective type question, but the concept remain evergreen, all of you know, from the chapter kinetics. Let's go through. What is the order of the reaction? Simply looking at the data, we can conclude order of the reaction. How? See, time 0 and time 100, the quantity become 50%, isn't it? 800 become 400, that is T half. And the T half you can understand 0 to 100, it is 100 minutes. And further 400 becomes 200, again T half. So this is T half and this is yet another T half, and that also 100 to 200, isn't it? It is 100 minutes. That means T half remain constant. 800 to 400, time is 100 minutes. 400 to 200, time is 100 minutes. That means T half remain constant. T half constant. What is order of the reaction? T half constant. What is order of the reaction? Exactly. It is first order reaction. So answer for first question, it is first order reaction. Over. Clear? Good. So by looking at the T half data, we are able to conclude what is the order of the reaction. First one. Now, second one, rate constant. Once you get the order of the reaction, we can go for finding rate constant K. How to find the rate constant K? K equal to 0.693 by T half, isn't it? K equal to 0.693 by T half. What is T half? 100 minutes. So it is 0.693 by 100, that is 6.93 into 10 power 3, isn't it? 6.93, 0.693 into 10 power minus 2, 6.93 into 10 power minus 3 per minute, minute inverse, per minute. That is the value for K. So the value for K, we have 6.93 into 10 power minus 3 per minute. That is over. So first one over, second one over. Third one, time for 75% completion. I don't have to tell you how to find out. Time for 75% is 2 times T half. Time for 75% will be T 75% will be 2 times T 50%. All of you know. So the answer for that will be once again 2 times this. It will be 2 into, sorry, that is K value, right? 2 times T half. What is T half? T half is 100 minutes. So it is 2 times 100 minutes. That is 200 minutes. That will be time for 75%. As everybody know, time for 75% is 2 times T half, isn't it? In fact, this is time for 75%. You are starting from 800, becoming 50% 400, becoming 20%, that is 75% over. Only 25% remaining. Isn't it? Now the last one, total pressure when Px equal to 700 mm. Total pressure when Px is equal to 700 mm. You have the stoichiometry 2x giving 3y plus 2z. Okay, you are starting with how much? 800 you are starting with. You are starting with 800. Here it is nil. And now after some time, total pressure when Px is 700. The quantity of this is 700 remaining. That means 100 reacted. 800 taken, 100 reacted, 700 remaining. So the pressure for X 700. Now when 2 react, you get 3. When 2 mole react, you get 3 mole. When 100 react, you can know, you must know the pressure can be taken as a reference for the concentration, isn't it? So 100 when react, how much you get? Exactly. 100 when react, how much you get? 2 give 3, 100 give 150. So the pressure there in the Y side, it will be 150 because 2 will give 3, 2 mole, 3 mole. You can know the quantity, amount of matter, number of moles of gas will be directly relating with the pressure, isn't it? So 100 when react, you will be getting 150. 2 give 3, 100 give 150. Exactly, right? Fine. Now how much is that forming? 100 is reacting and here it will be 100. So pressure contribution X 700 according to the question, and pressure contribution Y formed 150, pressure contribution Z formed 100 because 2 mole give 2 mole. 100 mm when react, 100 quantity when react, you get 100. So what is the total pressure in that time? Total pressure X pressure 700, Y pressure 150, so 850, and Z pressure 100, so it is 950 mm. So the answer for fourth question, it is 950 mm of mercury. That is the answer for fourth one. So by simply looking at the data, we are confirming what is the order of the reaction. First order kinetics, T half remain constant. Fine. Second one, how to find a K? K is equal to 0.693 by T half. So we get a K. And third one, what is the time for 75%? It is 2 times T half. So T half already known and 2 times, that will be answer for option C. And the last one, total pressure when Px is 700. Px initially 800, 100 converted to product side and you get 700 remaining. That is what the condition asked in the question. So 100 gives how much? 2 give 3 and 2. And 100 will give you 150 here and 100 here. So the total pressure will be 700, 850 and 950. So that is answer for the fourth one. That's all from the question, right? We will meet in next question, next class. Okay, bye, see you.